Hey guys, George Souris, Empire Legal, back for another blog. This week we are at the 4101 or West End. Got the Brisbane River, the Brown Snake behind us. Today we're going to talk about settlement day. So, your big day is finally here, settlement day. But what exactly happens? So let's have a chat, start to finish, about the process of settlement day. This is, of course, only applicable to Empire Legal clients as I'm explaining our process. The first thing we do is we email our clients an email in the morning advising them happy settlement day, and then we copy in the real estate agent on the deal. The email is not only a congratulations to the client, but also contains some important information. For example, we explain the time that settlement has been set down for, as well as what happens in the event that the settlement doesn't occur on time. So how exactly does that work, you ask? Well, put simply, we usually aim for an early settlement and propose midday. With PEXA, the electronic settlement system, all parties, i.e. the buyer's lawyers, the seller's lawyers, the buyer's bank and the seller's bank, all have to sign off on the workspace stating they are ready to settle. Once all parties are ready, then settlement can go through. In the event that all parties have not signed off by the agreed time, the settlement automatically rolls over in 30-minute windows. For example, if a 12 p.m. settlement is missed, the new time by default is 12:30, then 1 o'clock, 1:30, etc. This continues until 4 p.m. In Queensland, 4 p.m. is the last time frame that a property can settle electronically. Even if the parties mutually agree to settle beyond 4 p.m, it's not logistically possible in the system. So 4 p.m. is the hard deadline. At Empire Legal, we've engineered a proactive approach, meaning that whilst we always sign off on time, we don't just sit on our hands and wait for the other parties to perform their obligations. We get on the front foot and push the remaining parties that have outstanding tasks to sign off. For example, our client's bank or the other side solicitors. We'll send them emails, we'll get on the phone and find out why they haven't signed off on the agreed time and push them to do it. Now, the reason we set down 12 p.m. is that in the event it does not settle on time, we still have 4 hours to resolve whatever problems might be outstanding. Other firms might elect for a later settlement time, for example, 3 p.m. We see this as not only unnecessary, but also risky, as if the settlement time is missed, there's only the 3:30 and the 4 o'clock time slots left to settle. We know how stressful and emotional buying and selling a property can be, as there are many moving parts in the conveyancing process. We treat every single client as if they're family, and we will do whatever we can to get them settled on time on the agreed settlement date. Other firms rely on the Clause 6.2 settlement extension, which allows a settlement extension in the event a settlement is not ready up to 5 business days. We pretend it doesn't even exist on our end. We don't accept sloppiness or excuses. We always push on our end to make sure we are never the reason a settlement is delayed. Also, on another note, it's really important that you attend the property for your pre-settlement inspection. Whilst technically you don't have to attend a pre-settlement, we strongly recommend our purchasing clients check out the property, ideally on the morning of settlement or the day prior, to check it's in the same condition it was when they put the property under contract. If there's any issues, we ask that you call us ASAP so we can negotiate on your behalf and protect your rights before the settlement goes through. Once the contract is settled, it's almost always too late. Now, once settlement has occurred, we have it set up automatically that our clients and the real estate agents get emailed saying it's gone through. We'll then give you a call to deliver the good news ASAP. Other firms may not tell their clients a matter has settled straight away, which means unnecessary delay for knowing, 1, that your settlement's gone through, and 2, collecting the keys. We know how important it is for our clients to be notified as soon as possible. Often clients have tradespeople lined up to begin renovations, or removal trucks waiting on standby. On a side note, guys, our vendors always want to know how quickly their money will land in their account. Believe it or not, usually within 4 business hours, so same day. I know when I sold my property last year and it settled on PEXA, within 45 minutes, I had my cash. That was pretty cool. Cleared in my account. Keep in mind, in some instances, it can be up to 3 business days. Also, as part of the PEXA settlement process, the title will transfer from the vendor to the purchaser. From there, the local council and the water utility company will be notified of the new purchaser's details directly, meaning that future bills will be sent to the new owners. If it's a body corporate purchase, then we as the solicitors send a letter to the body corporate advising of the new purchaser's contact information. Bit of a trap, some firms don't do this and then you don't get a bill and you miss your pay on time discounts if your body corporate allows it. It's part of our checklist and our process. We do thousands of deals every year, so we've got this down to an art. Buyers and sellers need to arrange connection or disconnection of their electricity, gas, and internet, as this is outside the scope of the conveyance. Now, guys, settlement day is always a massive day for all of our clients, and it's always Empire Legal's top priority to make sure our clients are getting the best experience possible. We want a simple, sunny, smooth sale for our clients every time. Our clients are not just another number. We genuinely care. You've trusted us to look after you, and that's exactly what we will do every time. At Empire Legal, we have over 2,500 five-star Google reviews as at January 2025. By design, we choose to operate only in the Queensland conveyancing space, with our mission being to help everyday Queenslanders have the best buying and selling experience in the Sunshine State. Buying or selling? Pick a conveyancing team you can trust. Empire Legal. Guys, we've got over 661 subscribers now to our YouTube. Pretty cool. Our goal is to reach 1,000. We had over 8,400 people view our content on YouTube over the last month. So we just need a small fraction of you to subscribe. If you've ever learnt anything, it's all free. We don't charge $1. Help us by subscribing. All that does is helps us reach more people that we can assist with conveyancing. Thanks, guys. That's it for this week. Hope you learnt about settlement. Please don't forget, I want to do content that you want. So if you've got a question, flick me an email. It's george@empirelegal.com.au, and I will write a blog on your topic and shout you out. Thanks very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep in mind that all advice is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. This is authorised by George Souris, Empire Legal, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.